Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Musician Chicco Twala has made shocking allegations that Kelly Khumalo, his son Longwe, and other people who were in the house that night that soca star Senzo was killed knows who killed him. Twala, who was released on bail after being arrested for pointing a policeman with a gun, was interviewed by journalist Qolim Gambi. He shared this, you guys. Please check it out and also like, share, hit the bell for notifications. So here's the video.
On the Senzo case, and he wants me to make a statement. And I told him, sir, I was not part of the 8 people. That I think the people who knows the truth, it's my son, Kelly Kumala, and the rest of the guys who were there. Because those people, Kelly, my son, and if they're conscious, and then they cannot actually. Someone cannot be shot in their presence, and they're all silent about it. They know who killed Senzo. My son knows. Kelly knows. Everybody knows. Not all the people in the social media, including Mr. Tefo. The 8 people knows who shot Senzo. I must be excluded, Cody. I was not there. I'm not part of it. And I'm not going to protect my son, Cody. I've said it before. If my son is the murderer, trust me, I'll come out there in support of all the people who actually want the perpetrators to go to jail. I will never protect him, Cody. I don't care how I love him. I love my son, yes, but if if he's part of the people who made that Senzo, definitely. Even if even if there's a death sentence, I will support it.
Oh, those are very